Hi everyone, today we are going to make a bread, soft bread with sweet potato filling. Okay? Just mix it and then let it sit for about 5 minutes until it's foaming up on top. Okay, so let it sit for 5 minutes, and while waiting for that, let's add 1/4 teaspoon of salt into our flour. So 1/4 teaspoon here, and then we can mix it. We'll just mix. Okay, so we have here one egg, we have 6 tablespoon melted butter, we have a 1/4 cup of milk, and we have about 6 tablespoons of sugar. So we'll put our butter in here. And then our sugar, and this is about 1/4. I don't want to put a lot of sugar, so about 1/4 of sugar. Just mix it. And then put in our egg. I'll just mix it ahead of time so it's easier to put it in. And we'll put our 1/4 cup of milk. That should be ready. Over here, yeast right here. Let's add it in. Just mix it in. And I'm going to mix that as well. There we go. Combine. Okay. Okay, so we combine it. Again, use a bigger bowl. And after kneading, we're going to let it rest. Transfer it in a separate bowl. Okay. It's almost ready. You can tell because it's no longer sticking. You can even pull it and go like this. This is easy because it's small. Only few. Okay. And we will transfer it into an oil bowl here. And cover. we're gonna transfer it here. That's really easy. And we can just punch it. We're going to let it rest into our baking rack like this. We're going to do another one. Okay, so now we are going to let it rest for another 30 to 40 minutes and we're going to bake it. One minute remaining. You see that looks perfect right there. It's now brown on top. Yeah, that's still 1 minute. There, it is done. So that was perfectly 20 minutes. Okay, so here is our final soft bread with some yams. You can see the yams popping out right there. But the middle one, I actually decided to sprinkle while it's hot. Sprinkle it with cheese. Sprinkle it with cheese so you can see there's some cheese on it. So let's try to cut so we can see how soft it is and how pretty it is. Oh my goodness, did you see that? It cuts right off there. Let's take a look how pretty that is. There is our yam right there, ready to go. I cannot wait to eat it. That is a soft bread right there. You see that? And it tastes so delicious. This is so good. Okay. Here is our final bread with Japanese yam in it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and we will share, and we will see you all next time.